Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to learn about 3 very common English verbs: stay, remain, and leave. These words may seem similar, but they are used in different ways. Let's understand what they mean and how to use them correctly with the help of examples. The verb stay means to be in one place and not move away. For example, when you say, "I will stay at home today," it means you are not going anywhere. It's a simple word that we use often when we talk about not going somewhere else. Remain is very close to stay, but it is more formal. It also means not to leave a place or condition. For example, in the sentence "only one player remained on the field," it means others left, but one player continued to be there. We also use remain to talk about staying in a certain condition, like "please remain silent." Leave is the opposite of stay or remain. It means to go away from a place or person. For example, "he left the party early" means he went away from the party before it ended. Leave can also be used when we forget to take something with us, like "don't leave your homework at home." Now let's look at some common mistakes. Some people say, "I remained at his house last night." That sounds too formal and strange. The better word is stayed. So we say, "I stayed at his house last night." Another mistake is, "she left silent." That doesn't sound right. We should say, "she remained silent," which means she continued to be quiet. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with the right word: stay, remain, or leave. 1. He, in the room after everyone left. 2. I will, here until you return. 3. They, the building quickly. Can you guess the answers? Here they are. 1. Remained. 2. Stay. 3. Left. Great job! Let's quickly review what we learned. Stay means not to go anywhere. Remain means to continue being in a place or state, and it sounds more formal. Leave means to go away. By understanding these words, you can avoid mistakes and speak English better. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.